We've lived here a year and a half, and we actually did this project as part of our move-in. So we had Ryan come out and quote the project for us before we even closed on the house. When we moved in, actually when we took a look at the house, I knew right away that we needed to do something in this area. The yard sloped significantly on this side, so originally the home had a lot of vegetation built up around the sunroom area, and there was only about a 6 by 8 foot concrete pad right off of the garage, so it was about enough room to put a grill on, and that was all. And then the rest of the yard was really unusable due to the sloping. So Solid Structure had done a project for us at our former home in Chesapeake, and knew right away that wanted to get them out here to take a look at the side of the yard to see what we could do. It is so we have a wood burning fire pit over here, and we wanted a nice large fire pit area we could gather a lot of people around. We have a lot of friends and family that we enjoy hosting, and we had a big fire pit again at our former home in Chesapeake, and knew we just wanted to reconstruct that here. The construction process was super smooth. The team came out, did all the demolition. It was really fun to watch them work through the project. They were very meticulous, even around, so for the fire pit area, the whole top of it was custom cut rather than using some kind of pre-built surround for the top, and really smooth process. Anybody that sees the backyard, their jaw absolutely drops when they walk back and see how much space we have to enjoy. And yes, we've used it a number of times to host friends and family. Absolutely recommend Solid Structure to anyone that's considering fencing or hardscaping or lighting.